Vito, it's here.
Okay, awesome.
Welcome back to Free Beer Friday. And that's right, it's time to do our biggest giveaway ever. And that is the BrewBuilt digitally controlled electric 10-gallon BrewSculpture. And man, is it awesome. Vito, tell them about it.
I think this is freaking amazing. This is our biggest giveaway. Whoever wins this is gonna be a super happy brewer. I've got a tippy dump version like this myself, which I love, but this is electric, so it's like quieter, easier. You could get your strike water already going for you in the morning. Step mashes, we're gonna go into everything, so we'll cover that in a minute, but this is gonna be amazing. Whoever wins this is gonna be one lucky brewer. As an added bonus, we're gonna help you set this up. Depending on where you're at, we might actually come out and brew with you, but we'll talk you through it, do a video call and all that. So we'll talk you through your first brew day, get you set up and running and brewing amazing beer on this amazing system.
We are gonna announce the winner live at HomebrewCon, but you do not have to be there to win. So to win, go to morebeer.com/freebeerfriday and enter that monthly giveaway. However, things are a little bit different this month, so we're gonna do a little bit more every week to make sure you're seeing the new videos, and we're giving you points for doing so.
As Chris said, go to the Free Beer Friday page. Actually, every week there's gonna be new ways to enter and get more points that could win you this amazing sculpture. We're also gonna be having, as we always do, a deal running all month long. So check that out, take advantage of the deal, hit back, get those extra ways to enter, and hopefully you win this amazing BrewSculpture.
Well, the reason we are giving this away all has to do with you. This show's been around for a little over a year, and we started with a pretty small Brewzilla, and it went really well, but your feedback through the whole time and the amount that the list has grown of people watching the show and the questions we get, it's just been awesome. So this is all dedicated to you.
Yeah, love reading your comments, love the engagement, the support, love supporting the community. Homebrewing community is amazing. Being able to engage you guys through this video format has been super rewarding and fun for us. So hopefully you guys are stoked for this, and we're stoked to be able to be here in front of this screen doing this for you guys. It's awesome.
Yes, thank you. So while this is the biggest giveaway we've ever done, we're hoping we continue to grow and there'll be more to come. In the off chance that you are not already subscribed to our channel, please subscribe, because we are going to be dropping lots of different ways to know how to get more points towards winning this thing. And if you're not on our email newsletter, now's the time to do it.
All right, now let's go over all the reasons why this thing is awesome and you want to win it. All right, let's start with the main thing. The reason I love this system, and countless breweries across the nation use this as their pilot system, is its 3-vessel system. You've got a hot liquor tank, a mash tun, and a boil kettle.
And what ties it all together is the control panel. So it ties together the hot liquor temp and controlling the temperature that is in there. You have the mash tun, which allows you to go through step mashes or single infusion, but it'll control the process for you. And it's got a boil kettle, and you can control the intensity of the boil, set timers for when you need to add hops or any other additions. It just kind of makes the brew day easy.
All right, we talked about the functionality. Let's talk about how beautiful this thing is. This stainless steel mirror finish, it's brew built, so you know it's built to last. It just looks beautiful. When people come over, they love your home brew, but now they're gonna look at your system and say, holy moly, that is awesome. This is just a beaut. Yeah, I think this thing is gonna get you the consistency, which is the king in brewing, to be able to do the same beer consistently over and over again, and this system allows you to do that.
And if you're doing all grain now or thinking about it, and let's say you're on an all-in-one system, those are great. But if you're thinking about taking your hobby to that next level, or even considering going pro, this is the system to do it for you.
All right, so the rest of this month, we're gonna go over this system in depth. So we'll go into what is HERMS, how this system works, how you set the step mashes, the control panel, everything. So stay tuned, make sure you subscribe, and we're gonna drop some amazing content about this system.
So what do you guys think? Did we deliver on the biggest giveaway ever? Please comment below.
Yeah, we're gonna give away 5 gift cards to anybody who comments. So it's worth telling us, did we deliver on the promise? And I think we did, but I wanna hear from you.
All right, let's not forget about last month's lucky winners. And to save time, we've just made a comment that's pinned below with all the winners.
So make sure you enter this month. This is an amazing, huge giveaway. We wanna see you win, and more importantly, we wanna see you in San Diego. So I'll see you at HomebrewCon.
See you in San Diego.
I think it's time for a woo. Woo!